Hi, boys and girls. Today, we are going to work on subtraction from 10 or less. We are going to show two different ways to show the subtraction problem. Listen as I read the problem. I'm going to use counters to model my problem, and I want you to draw a picture to model your problem. There are 5 birds in a tree. 2 birds fly away. Okay, so I started with 5 birds. Let's draw 5 circles to show our birds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Now I'm going to circle the birds that flew away. 2 birds flew away. And what do I need to do after I circle them? That's right. I need to cross them off. All right. Well, we know how to use this model for writing a subtraction problem. How many birds did we start with? Yes, that's right. We started with 5. How many birds did we circle and cross off? Or did we minus? Yes, 2. And how many birds were left in the tree? 1, 2, 3. Exactly. So 5 minus 2 equals 3. All right. I'm going to write this same problem, but in a different way. Look over here. My numbers are stacked on top of each other. I'm going to put my first number all the way up top. So my 5 will go there. See my minus sign right here? Next to my minus sign, I'm going to write the number 2. And this line right here is the same thing as my equal symbol. So 5 minus 2 equals, that's right. My answer is going to go right down here. 3. Great job. Let's try another one. Okay. Let's try one for the bottom box. Listen as I read the problem. Steve has 6 crayons. He gives 4 to Matt. How many crayons does Steve have now? Okay, let's make our picture. I'm going to do my picture down here where I have a little bit more space. I'm going to start with my 6 crayons. Can you draw 6 circles for your crayons? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, and how many crayons did he give to Matt? That's right, he gave 4 crayons. So circle 4 of your circles and cross them off. All right, let's write our problem 2 different ways. Okay. How many did we start with? Yes, we started with 6. How many did we minus? Yes, 4. So what are we left with? That's right, Stephen's left with 2 crayons. Okay. Now let's write it this way, where our numbers stack on top of each other. Remember, the first number here is going to go in the top box. So 6, there's my minus symbol. 4, remember this line is the same thing as equals. So 6 minus 4 equals, yes, 2. Great job. Okay, I want you to turn to the next page, page 118. These two problems are up at the top in pink. Let's look at this one first. How many peppers did I start with? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so in your top box up here, I want you to write 8 because that's the number we started with. All right, how many peppers did we circle and cross off? So how many peppers did we minus? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, 6. So 8 minus, write the number 6. Excellent. Equals. Remember that line means equals. How many peppers are still there? Right. 1, 2. So write the number 2 down at the bottom. Remember, if Mrs. Kudo is going too fast, just press pause on your computer while you write your numbers. Okay, let's look at our next picture. How many birds do we have all together? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, so we have 7 birds. So write 7 up in your top box because 7 is our whole. Now I want you to look at these 4 birds. These 4 birds flew away. So how many birds flew away? Right, 4. So we're going to write 4 in our next box. Don't forget, this line means equal. So 7 minus 4 equals 1, 2, 3. Excellent. Equals 3. All right. Let's try a couple more before you go to work on your own. Find number 1. Let's write the problem using the picture. How many ladybugs are there all together? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. Start by writing the number 10 in your box at the top. How many ladybugs flew away? Do you see these ladybugs here? They flew away. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to cross them off because they left the story. 4 flew away. So how many ladybugs are left on the leaf? Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 is our answer. Read the problem with me. 10 minus 4 equals 6. You are doing excellent. Let's try one more, and then I'm going to have you work all on your own. How many peppers did we start with? Let's count to find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So going to write 9 in our top box because that's our whole. That's what we started with. So 9 minus how many are circled and crossed off? 1, 2. 2. So 9 minus 2 equals, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, 7. Excellent. Okay, now I want you to try to finish page 118, numbers 3 and 4, all on your own. Then turn the page over and try to do page 119. I know you can do it. Work hard, stay focused, and do your best. Make me proud.